Jerrica here from UpSpace Coaching. I am here to personally invite you to my upcoming class, Low Cost, High Return Client and Recruiting Events. If you're looking to elevate your event strategy this year, or maybe you don't have one and you're looking to make one for the first time, this is the class for you. We're going to be talking about anything and everything successful and profitable events that are going to attract and get you belly to belly with the buyers and sellers that you want in your business and the teammates that you want in your business. We're going to talk about what makes an event successful. How do you define and track ROI to make sure that you're getting a return on the time and the money that you've invested in your events? How do you make them systematic so that you can execute many of them in a year? How do you ask for sponsorships? What should my registration system look like? How many times do I invite people, right? Anything and everything that you want to know about client events will be covered in this class. If you've ever been to any of my classes, you know that they're jam-packed with energy, jam-packed with value, and that you're always going to walk away with case studies and templates so that you can execute right away. I cannot wait to see how you level up your events after this class. I'll see you there.